Hello grade 10! So welcome to my channel. So for today's we will discuss about arithmetic sequence. So this is the lesson 2 of your module. So let's begin. So what is an arithmetic sequence? Arithmetic sequence is a sequence where each succeeding term is obtained by adding a fixed number. So dito, para malaman natin if what will be the next term, isa lang yung fixed number na in-add lang natin. Say for example, we have 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10. So kung mapapansin nyo, para malaman natin yung mga susunod na terms, isa lang yung fixed number na ina-add natin, which is 2. And how did we get 2? So simply, ima-minus lang natin yung terms na magkakasunod. So 4 minus 2, 2. Let's check with the other terms. 6 minus 4, 2. 8 minus 6, 2. 10 minus 8 is 2. So, ibig sabihin, for each term, nag-add lang tayo ng 2. So, what is the next term sa tingin nyo? So, in this case, add lang din tayo ng 2 to get the next term, which is 12. Naintindihan ba? To help you in finding the next terms in an arithmetic sequence, so we will be using this formula. A sub n is equal to a sub 1 plus n minus 1 times d. So in this case, ang ating a sub n is the nth term, a sub 1 is the first term, n is the number of terms in the sequence, and this d is the fixed number na tinutukoy natin kanina, or simply the common difference. So how are we going to use this formula? So balikan natin yung example natin kanina. Yan. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. What if ang ipinapahanap sa inyo is the 15th term? So dito, medyo mahirap or medyo hassle kung mag-a-add tayo na mag-a-add ng 2 hanggang sa makakuha natin yung pang 15th term. So dito, i-apply na natin ang formula. So we're looking for the 15th term. So therefore, we have here a sub 15. And then, our first term is 2. And how many terms in the sequence na meron tayo na hinahanap? Yung pang 15. There you go, 15 minus 1. And the common difference, again, mag-subtract lang tayo ng magkasunod na term. So, ang ating common difference here is 2. And then, we can now solve for a sub 15. So, unahin muna natin, recall lang natin ha, unahin lang natin ang nasa loob ng parentheses. There you have it. So, 15 minus 1 is 14. And then, baka malito kayo class, hindi yan 2 plus 14 times 2. So, ang gagawin muna natin, according sa rule ng MDAS, magmumultiply muna tayo bago tayo mag-add or subtract. So, let's do this. So, 2 times 14 is 28. And then, ayan na, you may now proceed with addition from left to right. So, you have here 2 plus 28 is a sub 15 is 30. So, there you have it. Naintindihan ba? You're asked to find arithmetic means. What is arithmetic means? So, arithmetic means, so these are the terms between any non-consecutive terms of an arithmetic sequence. So, in this case, ang given lang natin is dalawang term na hindi magkasunod na terms sa ating arithmetic sequence. And arithmetic means, yun yung mga terms na between sa kanila. Suppose we have here the problem, insert 4 arithmetic means between -1 and 14. So, ilang terms ang nasa pagitan ni -1 and 14? Yes, 4. So, to illustrate, ito yung ating sequence supposedly. -1, and then the 4 arithmetic means between, and then 14. So, how many terms do we have now? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we have here 6 terms in our arithmetic means, wherein the first term is negative 1 and the last term is 14. Now, how are we going to find the 4 arithmetic means? So dito, magde-derive lang tayo. Kasi we have here actually, meron na tayong first term which is negative 1. Meron na tayong last term which is 14. 'Di ba? And then, the number of terms natin, kanina na-identify natin, ilan sila? 6. But then, we are missing what is the value ng common difference. And actually, yun yung gagawin natin ngayon. I-derive natin sa formula ang value ni difference. So, by substituting, ang ating last term is a sub 6. We have here a sub 1. The number of terms here we have 6 minus 1 times d. And then, substitute na natin yung mga existing given natin. Remember, the last term we have in the given is 14. And then, the first term in the given natin is negative 1. And then, we have here the number of terms which is 6. So, let us solve now for the common difference. Simplify natin yan. So, 6 minus 1 is 5 times d. Now, how are we going to find the value of the common difference here? So, in this case, si negative 1 is i-combine natin kay 14 to eliminate here dito sa right side. So, negative 1 will now be positive 1. And then, 14 plus 1, we can now solve 14 plus 1 is 18. And then, to get the value of the common difference, we just have to divide both sides by 5. So, kung ano yung numerical coefficient ng ating common difference, i-divide lang natin both sides by the value of it para makancel natin yung numerical value na meron si D. So, therefore, the common difference we have here is 3. Okay? So, the common difference is 3. So, therefore, para mahanap natin yung succeeding terms, we just have to add 3 on the first term and then so on until we get the 4 terms between negative 1 and 14. So, in this case, in finding the n terms, mas madali na kasi given na yung ating common difference. So, we just have to add 3 on each terms. So, negative 1 plus 3 we have here. Negative 1 plus 3 is 2. Yan. Negative 1 plus 3, magkaiba ng sign. Subtract natin, and then copy the sign na mas malaki. So, the second term is 2. Now, what about the third term? Just add the fixed number 3. So, 2 plus 3, we have here 5. Plus 3, we have 11. And then plus 3, let's check. The answer is 14. So, therefore, these are the 4 arithmetic means between negative 1 and 14. Again, magre-rely lang din tayo sa formula natin ng arithmetic sequence. Just derive the answer para mahanap natin yung common difference. Naintindihan ba? Very good. Let's try different exercises. So, hindi tayo dito magpo-push up ha. Different math exercises. So, what if we have here 1/8, 1/4, 3/8, and 1/2? So, how are we going to find the next terms? Suppose ang pinapahanap sa inyo is the 20th term. So, how are we going to find the 20th term given na meron ditong fraction? So, magre-recall tayo ng basic operation ng fraction. Using the formula, we have here a sub n is equal to a sub 1 plus n minus 1 times d. In this case, ang hinahanap natin is the 20th term. So, therefore, that is a sub 20. So, equal to a sub 1, which is 1/8, and then plus the number of terms we have here is 20. Minus 1 is 19. So, and then multiply by the common difference. Ma'am, how are we going to find the common difference here? So, simply, diba, yun sa rule, you just have to subtract yung magkasunod na terms. So, unahin muna natin si 1/4, subtract it by 1/8. And then, the next thing you're going to do, since fraction yan, is to find the least common denominator. So, least common denominator ni 4 and 8 is 8. And then, what's next? So, ang gagawin lang natin, divide times lang yan. 8 divided by 4, 2. Times 1 is 2. 8 divided by 8 is 1. Times 1 is 1. So, 2 minus 1 all over 8. And then, we can have here, the common difference is 2 minus 1, 1 over 8. So, i-substitute natin sa given. We have here the common difference of 1 over 8. And then, afterwards, simplify natin nasa parentheses. You have here 19 times 1/8. And then, afterwards, i-multiply natin itong dalawa. But then, this is a whole number and a fraction. Diba? Understood na ang denominator lagi ng whole number natin will always be 1. So, 19 over 1 times the quantity of 1 over 8. And then, sa rule natin ng fraction, when it comes to multiplication, numerator sa numerator, denominator sa denominator. So, 19 times 1 is 19. And then, 1 times 8 is 8. So, tandaan lagi yung mga basic na operations most especially sa fraction kasi ang tendency dyan, kapag nakita ng fraction ng bata, nalilito na sila. Nagkakaroon na ng anxiety, ayaw nang sagutan kasi fraction. Pero actually, napaka-basic lang naman ang dapat gawin when it comes to fraction. Kung nagmumultiply ka, simple lang, numerator sa numerator, denominator sa denominator. Ngayon, kung whole number yan, understood na yan na ang denominator natin will always be 1. So, proceed na tayo. We have here, a sub 20 is equal to 1/8 plus 19 over 8. Now, again, addition naman tayo ng fraction dito. Napaka-basic lang din ng rules sa addition of fraction. If similar fractions sila, wala na kayong problema. You just have to copy the denominator. Copy the denominator, which is 8. Proceed with the addition ng ating numerator. So, 1 plus 19 is 20. And then, let us simplify our answer. So, 20 divided by 8. Kaya pa yung isimplify. It will divisible yan both by 4. So, 20 divided by 4 is 5. 8 divided by 4 is 2. So, therefore, our 20th term in the given is 5 over 2. 1/8, 1/4, 3/8, 1/2, and then the 20th term is 5 over 2. O, diba? Basic. So, that's it for today. I hope may natutunan kayo. See you on our next meeting. Goodbye, class.